Hi, I'm Josh Raybold, Senior Producer at imagesound. Our branding team were tasked with writing, composing and producing our very own sonic identity to align with our new branding and include a track that can be used across all marketing assets. Creating the piece of music you're hearing right now started with a lot of thought on how the team feel imagesound operates, with human being the main inspiration. The sonic identity was based around the three key elements of the new logo itself: the movement of music, transforming a space, and more. We made sounds that represented these key elements, and then they came together to create a distinct, simple sonic ident, not aligned with a melody, but a culture. The track is written in a minor key as it gave more emotion and human feeling than the more predictable major key could give.
Together, we create a standout experience of music and more.
We then split the track into sections, subtly taking you on a journey through the different markets we have a footprint in. In essence, we're a global business with a local, human touch. We are imagesound, more than music.